behind me, you can see the siding is completed. The details on the bay window area here turned out super, super cool. We finished tying in the new rainwater leader for the front of the house, as well as redoing some drain tile that was coming through the crawl space. So that all work was actually just completed yesterday. Front yard is looking very, very nice. Let's jump inside and see what's happening there. It has changed a lot since you've seen this project. We are now in the basement entry, we'll call it that. This is going to be the bike zone over here. Over here will be a dirty sink, and then over here will be a lower bathroom for those post mountain bike rides where you just need to get clean. So we are now on the main floor. We have flooring in, we have cabinets in. It's starting to look like a home. The team is starting to work on the interior finishing this week. So by this time next week, we'll start to see some trims on windows and doors, things of that nature. Countertop measure happened, I think this week. So it's really coming together. We're gonna have some really cool faux beams in here to make this post make sense, which was needed for structural reasons, of course. It's coming together. Let's go have a look upstairs. This is the kids' bathroom. Loving these vanities and the color that we have going on in here. It's looking amazing. I'm gonna grab the camera, pull you in, and have a look at the shelves that are back here as well. Tiles in, beautiful niche. Let's have a look and see what it's looking like. All right, so coming in, boom. Beautiful shower. A lovely, lovely niche. The bottom of which is sloped so the water runs out. Here's a better look of that vanity. And I wanted to show you these super cool shelves that our amazing design team added to this bathroom for storage. We are now upstairs. We are in the upper floor hallway. Here, office. Here, gym. Here, primary bedroom. Let's have a look and see what's going on. In here, flooring's in. Nothing too exciting. Windows ready to go. So as I was saying earlier, the window trim is going to happen this week. Doors are going to go in. We've already got one door in. Let's have a look and see what's going on in the gym. This client decided to put in a very interesting sheet vinyl for their gym area, which is going to obviously make it extremely easy to clean. And it looks really cool. I haven't seen this product before. It almost looks like concrete. Coming into the primary bedroom, I mean, it's primary bedroom with a great vaulted ceiling. Coming along in here, walk-in closet. We'll give you a taste of that. This is the universal sign of don't go in here. So I guess we're not supposed to go in the bathroom today. Cabinets are installed. All of the details for the tub are installed. And hopefully I can reach around and show you the shower as well. Look at that. It's beautiful. Look at that niche. So much soap. And the details around the tub are just awesome. There you go. That's our video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.